Unable to load photos on Android. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the settings application on your device over here. As you launch the settings application, tap on about phone and check for any updates available for your device. So as you can see on the screen, it says no updates available, which means we have the latest version to our device. So let's just scroll down, or you can go back to the home screen and make a long press on the photo application or the gallery over here and then tap on app info. As you tap on app info, all you have to do is tap on the clear cache option at the bottom right corner of the screen and then tap on OK. Next, what you can simply do is make a long press on the power button and then tap on reboot and restart the device, and this might help you fix your issue. Also, check for storage in your file manager. So you can just go to the file manager and check for storage that you have on your device. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video and see you next time.